Every project, regardless of its size or complexity, starts with the blueprints. These aren't just lines on paper, they represent the culmination of countless hours of design, engineering, and planning. They are the roadmap we follow to bring a vision to life. And for us, they are the foundation of our estimate. A detailed and accurate estimate is crucial for project success, and it all begins with a thorough understanding of these plans. I dive into the structural and architectural plans, immersing myself in the details. It's about more than just a cursory glance, it's about truly understanding the intent behind every line and symbol. I'm searching for every detail, no matter how small, that could potentially impact cost or construction. Overlooking even a minor element can lead to significant discrepancies down the line. It's detective work, a process of uncovering hidden clues and anticipating potential challenges. What type of concrete is specified? Is it standard mix, or does it require special additives for increased strength or durability? What size steel beams are needed to support the structure? Are they readily available, or will they require custom fabrication? Are there any special requirements outlined in the specifications? Unique installation methods, specific material certifications, or particular environmental considerations? I highlight key information, make detailed notes, capturing every relevant detail and potential concern, and compile a comprehensive list of questions to clarify any ambiguities or inconsistencies. I'm never assuming anything. Every measurement, every specification, every detail is verified and double-checked. Missing a detail here can mean disaster later on the construction site, leading to costly rework, delays, and potentially even structural issues. I look for red flags, potential problem areas that could present challenges during construction. Complex roof lines with unusual angles or intricate detailing, cantilevered balconies, which require careful engineering and precise execution, or anything that could complicate the build, demanding specialized skills or equipment. Digital takeoff software helps me streamline the process, allowing me to zoom in on intricate details, accurately measure distances in areas, and organize all the information efficiently. But the principle is the same. Whether using the latest technology or traditional methods, I must read, understand, and question every line, ensuring a complete and accurate interpretation. This thorough review builds the foundation, the bedrock, for a solid estimate, one that is reliable, accurate, and reflects the true cost of the project. If I don't know the scope inside and out, every nook and cranny, every detail and nuance, I simply can't price it right, and that's a risk we can't afford to take. Identifying challenges early in the process, before construction even begins, means no surprises for us or the client, fostering trust and ensuring a smooth and successful project. Technology saves time and improves efficiency, but accuracy and thoroughness, a meticulous attention to detail, are what matter most in the end. Every project's ultimate success, its ability to meet the client's needs and stand the test of time, depends on getting this first step right. Understanding the blueprints completely. The blueprints are more than just drawings or technical documents, they're the project's DNA, containing all the information needed to bring it to life, from the foundation to the finishing touches. My job is to decode them, to translate the technical language into a clear and actionable plan, so nothing gets missed, and the project can proceed smoothly and successfully. Blueprints tell part of the story, but the site visit reveals the rest. I walk the property checking for slopes, trees, access, and anything the plans can't show. Soil type, nearby buildings, power lines. These all affect cost and logistics. I look for risks and take photos, making notes on storage, crew parking, and site access. A well-organized site saves time and money. Planning logistics now prevents costly surprises later. The site visit connects paper plans to real-world challenges. It's about being thorough, so our estimate is grounded in reality. Solid groundwork here means fewer problems down the line. With the architectural plans thoroughly reviewed, every detail scrutinized, and the construction site meticulously assessed for potential challenges, it's time for the takeoff, the crucial process of counting every single material needed for the project. This is where precision meets planning. I calculate concrete volumes, estimating the exact amount required for foundations, walls, and other structural elements. Count rebar, ensuring we have enough steel reinforcement to provide the necessary strength and stability to the concrete structures. Measure formwork, carefully calculating the surface area of the temporary molds needed to shape the concrete as it cures. And tally every steel beam and bolt, accounting for all the structural steel components and their corresponding fasteners. Specialized software keeps me organized, allowing for efficient data management and ensuring accuracy throughout the takeoff process. Double and triple checking is essential, a meticulous review process to catch any potential errors or omissions. Mistakes here mean costly delays on the construction site or a significant waste of money due to incorrect material orders. I factor in waste, adding a percentage to account for materials damaged, cut-offs, or otherwise rendered unusable during construction. Knowing not every inch of material gets used, there's always some amount of unavoidable scrap and loss. The takeoff is the backbone of the bid, the foundation upon which the entire cost estimate is built, a precise list of what it takes to build, detailing every item, quantity, and specification required for the project. Too little and we run short, leading to work stoppages and potential schedule overruns. Too much, and the client overpays, impacting their budget and potentially jeopardizing future projects. Accuracy here keeps the project on budget and on track, ensuring financial stability and timely completion. Every piece, from beams to bolts, is accounted for, ensuring a comprehensive and reliable material inventory. Waste factors are realistic and necessary, reflecting the actual conditions and practices on the construction site. A solid takeoff means a solid estimate, providing a reliable basis for project budgeting and financial planning. It's meticulous work requiring focus, attention to detail, and a commitment to accuracy. But it's what makes the difference between a successful project and one plagued by cost overruns and delays. The project's success starts with this list, the foundation for efficient procurement, accurate budgeting, and ultimately, a well-executed construction project. Materials counted, now I need real prices. I send my list to trusted suppliers for up-to-date quotes on steel, concrete, and more. For specialized work, I reach out to reliable subcontractors for their bids. I compare quotes, checking for hidden costs, delivery, equipment, everything. Relationships matter. Trusted partners mean accurate, dependable pricing. I choose suppliers and subs based on quality and reliability, not just price. These numbers go straight into the estimate. The right team and the right prices set the stage for a successful project. With all the material costs accounted for, and the subcontractor bids finalized and locked in, I carefully estimate our crew's labor costs. This involves breaking the entire job down into individual tasks, then estimating the hours required for each. It's a detailed process, but crucial for accurate budgeting. Next, I add indirect costs, things like the site office expenses, utilities to keep the site running, and of course comprehensive insurance coverage, and the overall company overhead, which includes administrative costs and other essential business expenses. Profit and contingency come next, essential elements to ensure the financial health of the project, a buffer specifically allocated for the unexpected challenges that inevitably arise during construction. Every single number gets a final, meticulous review, carefully checked against the architectural plans and detailed specifications. Sometimes bringing in a second set of experienced eyes ensures absolutely nothing is missed in the fine print. Only when we're completely confident that the bid is both accurate and comprehensively complete, only then do we submit it with pride. This rigorous process builds trust, both with our internal team and, crucially, with our valued clients. A thorough and detailed estimate translates to fewer unexpected surprises down the line, ultimately leading to a smoother and more predictable build. It's undeniably a lot of hard work, but it's the foundation of how we consistently deliver high-quality projects that are built to last for generations. The estimate isn't just a simple number on a page, it's the detailed blueprint that guides us towards project success every single time.